Hi, in this lesson, we'll look at the super keyword. In lesson 2, we saw that we used the keyword super to make a call to our superclass constructor. In this lesson, we are going to expand on the idea of super a little more. When we create objects, we are assigning a variable name. This makes it easy for us to call methods for that object as we refer to the variable name and then call the method. But what do we do if we don't have a variable name? We know that a superclass object gets created when we create the subclass object. However, we don't have a variable name to reference. We can call the method generically using the keyword super as our reference to our superclass object. The keyword super is similar to the keyword this that we saw in Unit 5. This refers to the current object, and super refers to the superclass object. Just like we could reference methods and pass parameters using the this keyword, we can reference methods and pass parameters using the super keyword. In this first example, we are looking at an animal superclass that gets extended in the dog subclass. Notice in this example, the dog subclass constructor uses the keyword super to call the animal constructor. The dog class bark method also calls the superclass speak method by passing it a parameter that will then get used in the speak method. In this second example, we see that the apple pie class is extending the pie class. Once again, the constructor calls the superclass constructor and passes two parameters. We also see the two calls to superclass methods using the super keyword, and one call to the apple pie has slice method using the this keyword. One thing to note is that the this keyword is an option in the statement this.hasSlice. However, oftentimes it will be used in a situation such as this to clarify which object the method is being called from. In previous lessons, we saw how we can use the super keyword to call a superclass constructor. In this lesson, we extended that concept to see how the keyword super can be used to also call methods in the superclass. Now that you've learned about the super keyword, let's get some practice using it in the editor.